Hello everyone, this is Harry from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Pool Billiard Pro to your Samsung Galaxy Note 2. For this, you need to unlock the phone. After that, you have to hit apps. At apps, you have to find one app. It's called Google Play, Play Store, Android Market. Hit this one. One most important thing for downloading anything from Android Market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please do that and come back here again. Here you see three options: apps, games, and books. Hit at games. At games, you have so many options: home, top, pet, top free. Hit at top free. You have to slide. As you see, Pool Billiard Pro. If you not find as this, you have to tap here, the searching option, type the name of the game, download and install. Hit this one. Hit for install. Accept term and condition. It's only 3.37 megabyte. And it's done. It's giving me two options. One is open, another is uninstall. I'm not going to open from here. I will hit home or menu button. I will hit apps. I will drag. And as you see, pool, hit this one. It's loading now. This is one ad. Close this one. Versus mode. How you can play. Okay, this is all my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Iris Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.